Has this ever happened to you or someone you know? You come home to find a water line is broken and now your home is flooded? Or perhaps a freezer or refrigerator door was left ajar and now you have a smelly mess? Have you ever worried that your elderly mother would leave the stove on? Wouldn't it be nice if your home were smart enough to alert you when there's a problem? My name is Michael Phillips and I'm the creator of Sensible Living. After retiring from 30 plus years in development engineering, I've had time to play and tinker again. When I was introduced to the Arduino environment, I decided to create this collection of inexpensive sensors for the home and a monitoring system that finds you when there's a problem. The beta desktop software and half a dozen sensors are already operational. Let me show you what they can do. Here we have the moisture alarm. You place this sensor under a washer, hot water heater, refrigerator. If it ever gets damp, it'll send you a message. We also have the refrigerator sensor, freezer sensor. This probe goes into the freezer compartment, plugs into the transmitter, and you can monitor the temperature of your freezer 24/7. It's also available with two probes, so you can monitor both the freezer and the refrigerator. This has saved us several times. Here we have a garage door open sensor. This simply attaches to the door of the garage, and if the door remains open too long, you can get a message. If you'd ever like to monitor the temperature and humidity within your home, this simple sensor can be placed anywhere within your home, and you can monitor and record the temperature and humidity 24/7. This sensor is placed into the soil of your potted plant, and it'll monitor the moisture level, and if the plant ever gets thirsty, it'll tell you. This is also available in a multi-sensor version, where these sensor probes on pigtails, you place one into the pot of multiple plants, and you can monitor up to 5 plants with a single module. This is good for a window garden or a vertical garden, which is how I use it. And then finally we have the receiver. The receiver plugs into your desktop, automatically registers with our desktop application, and it has a built-in battery charger. While the battery in the sensor should last for more than a year, at some point it will need to be recharged. Simply remove the battery, it plugs into this connector as so, and fill her up and you're ready to go. Next, let's take a look at the desktop application and how it pulls it all together.
The Sensible Living desktop software quickly shows you your information. Here in the card view we see several of our sensors. Here we have a temperature and humidity sensor. The current humidity is 61.9% relative humidity and 76.6 degrees as of 29 minutes ago. Here's a lemon tree, and if we want we could look at that also in a floor plan view. Here we have that same lemon tree. As you can see, it's in the dining room, and it has a moisture level of 5.4 on a scale of 1 to 10, and the battery voltage is currently 4.11 volts. If we wanted, we could also look at that in chart view and see how that performs over time. Here we have the moisture usage of the lemon tree starting in early April, and as you can see here in late June it was repotted into a larger pot, and now it requires watering a lot less often. Well, that's a very quick overview of the desktop software. There's a great deal more to show you, but we'll have to save that for another time.
All of your sensors have the ability to send you messages, anything from a simple pop-up to a verbal message on your desktop to an email or even a text message to your cell phone. So you can always be apprised of what's happening in your home, even when you're away. As I mentioned, some of the sensor technology is based on the Arduino community, and as such we'll be contributing back to the open source community. I want to get this system into your hands, especially if you're a homeowner, gardener, or hobbyist. I've taken it this far, and the next step is FCC and CE certification. These mandatory tests are required to allow us to take it to market and can be quite expensive. With your help, I can complete certification and add to the array of sensors. We've only just scratched the surface of what the system is capable of. If you'd like to make your life a little easier and have a little fun in the process, please support Sensible Living. We have some wonderful rewards for you and hope to see you at the finish line. Thank you for watching our video, and thank you for your backing.